Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn to open Command Prompt in Windows 10. Most Windows users will never need to open Command Prompt (CMD), as several options are available in Windows 10 Settings app to customize your operating system. However, you'll need to open the command prompt to execute some tasks. The command prompt is a helpful tool that allows you to do some quicker than you can in the graphic interface. Also, some changes on Windows 10 can only be done through command prompt because, in the graphical interface, you can't find any settings. In Windows 10, there are multiple ways to open command prompt. You can use any of the below-mentioned methods to launch Command Prompt in Windows 10. 1. Open Command Prompt from Task Manager. First, open Task Manager with more details. Then click the File menu and choose Run New Task option. Type CMD, and then click OK to open up Command Prompt. If you want, you can check the option Create this task with administrative privileges to open Command Prompt as administrator. 2. Open Command Prompt from a Start menu search. You can easily open the command prompt by clicking Start and then typing CMD or Command Prompt. In the search, click the command prompt. 3. Open Command Prompt from the Run box. Press Windows +R to open the Run box. Type CMD and then click OK to open Command Prompt. 4. Open Command Prompt from File Explorer. Open File Explorer by pressing Windows +E keyboard shortcut. In the address bar, delete everything and type CMD and press Enter on the keyboard to open Command Prompt. That's it.